Thank you for watching America's Weather Streaming Channel, 7:37 p.m. Eastern Time. We're following some breaking weather information across the state of Indiana. Let's jump right to radar. So as you can see here, we've got storms across the state of Indiana right now. We've got some going up in the Huntington, Bluffton, Portland area at the top of your screen there. We've got some light rain on the east side right now, Richmond, Connorsville, Greensburg area. We've got a supercell thunderstorm in between Greenwood, Bloomington, and Columbus. Right there, we've got another supercell thunderstorm to the north of Vincennes. All right, so a large storm there in the Vincennes area. And then we've got some light, quick downburst of heavy rain, really from Huntington, Logansport, Kokomo, Frankfort, Lebanon area. But we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that I want to dive into here in just a second, but I did want to, before I forget, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch right here in the pink outline. All right, that's a severe thunderstorm watch in this area right in here. And we do have one severe thunderstorm warning. Now let's dive right into this supercell here. Again, this is just east of Bloomington, heading towards the Nashville area. And the reason I want to focus on this is because we're starting to see a little bit of a hook here. All right, we're starting to see a little bit of a hook. So we're going to see how this kind of pans out here. So there's some very broad rotation with this storm right now that we're keeping an eye on. And so it's heading towards the Nashville area. But first, let's take a look at the severe thunderstorm warning. All right, at 7:31, so about 7 minutes ago, severe thunderstorm was located near Bloomington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. We've had 60-mile-per-hour wind gust with us and quarter-size hail. All right, here with this storm here. Rotation is not out of the question here. So let's dive right into this. Let's get a little bit closer here. So we're really watching in this area right in here for rotation. So we're going to see the reds and greens come together when we click on the velocity here. All right, and there you can see we've got some reds and greens coming together here. So it will not surprise me at any moment that the National Weather Service issues a tornado warning for this storm here to the east of Bloomington, all right, heading towards the Nashville area. All right, so we're looking at Monroe County and Brown County area in Indiana. So we do see some reds and greens coming together, all right, with this storm right in there. All right, matching this up with the radar, and it's right at the hook that we were just looking at. All right, that's where a possible tornado would be located here. So even though there's no tornado warning right now, let's zoom in here. All right, so if you're in the Woodville Hills area, all right, be on the lookout for a possible tornado. Belmont, Yellowwood State Forest, West Overlook, all right, Camp Roberts, Stonehead, Story, Pikes Peak, Christiansburg, Beck's Grove, all right, you are all in the severe thunderstorm warning right now, but possible rotation is heading your way. Okay, possible rotation is heading your way. So here's Indiana University on the map right here. All right, if you're in Indiana University right now, if you're in the Bloomington area, this has moved to your east. All right, this has moved to your east here. So following along on 46 in the Woodville Hills area, in the Belmont area, is where this possible rotation is right now. So we're going to keep an eye on this. There is a severe thunderstorm warning with this storm. All right, so some very gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. All right, that could cause a lot of tree damage and so forth. And we're taking a look at the possibility of rotation here on the backside of this storm. So the severe thunderstorm warning was just updated here. At 7:40, severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Bloomington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. And we still have 60-mile-per-hour wind gust and quarter-size hail with this storm. All right, it's going to be in Yellowwood Lake around 7:45. All right, Helmsburg around 7:50. All right, Nashville, Story, Gnawbone, Stonehead, Spurgeon's Corner, you're in the path of this severe thunderstorm. So we'll continue to watch the storm right here. We'll continue to follow the rotation to see hopefully it broadens and dissipates. But if not, all right, if it gets a little tighter, we'll jump back in and let you know. But some definite gust of winds here. All right, so inside this red right here, all right, some very gusty winds. All right, we're seeing the brighter greens here, and it's where the reds and greens come together. All right, and the tighter it gets, the more rotation, more likelihood that a tornado would be forming there and touching the ground. So there's no tornado, and right now we don't have any reports of funnel clouds in the area. All right, but we have some definite rotation showing up on radar. All right, so definite rotation on radar there, so don't want to alarm anybody, but this is something that we're going to watch here. Let's see here. With this, let's see if there's any new information here. So it's kind of losing that hook a little bit in the last update that we can see here. But let's play it out here. We'll play it out here. So we do have, watching some video here. So that was just as it went to the north of Bloomington in the video that I was seeing here. Just again, very, very broad rotation with the wall cloud. All right, let's see. Okay, that's not Indiana there. All right, not seeing any information with this storm here, so let's zoom out. So doesn't look anything new to report here, but some a big thunderstorm with torrential downpours north of Vincennes. All right, south of Terre Haute, west of Bedford. All right, so that's been there for a while. That's producing quite a bit of rain in a very, very short time there. So flash flooding is going to be a concern if that storm continues to kind of stall right there and redevelop behind it. So something we'll pay attention to. We'll continue to pay attention to the storm east of Bloomington, headed to the Nashville area, a possible rotation. Okay, and then farther north of that, we haven't really touched on this, but we did see a little bit of rotation west of Bluffton, kind of actually where that dot is, where Brandon Kopec is right this second. Let's check a look at the velocity here real quick. And I'm going to switch radars to close to the radar there. Okay. You can see some reds and greens coming together right in there. Let's match that up with the radar. Okay, and the radar just updated on us. Kind of in that area right there, we're watching some rotation possibly developing here in that area, but something, again, we'll have to just keep an eye on. And Brandon Kopec in the area will, of course, let us know. We've got some storms developed to the north and west of Kokomo, north of Frankfurt, west of Lebanon, south of Lebanon, in that area there. So we'll continue to watch all of these here. No tornado warnings right now. We just have one severe thunderstorm warning. And let's take a look at that real quick again. All right, over the Nashville area, Nashville, the Belmonts, all right, to Becks Grove, Clarksdale, Daggett. You're part of this tornado, excuse me, this severe thunderstorm warning. We do have the severe thunderstorm watch in the southern half of Indiana. And we'll continue to monitor this. Thanks for watching America's Weather streaming channel. We'll break in if any breaking weather information happens. I appreciate it. Have yourself a good evening.